Okay, here's our fortune cookie. You know?
Yeah.
You've had one?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, if you have not had a fortune cookie, you will have one today. So what you will need to do, open your cookie,
Yeah.
right? And you will take the paper out, and this is, we say, your fortune. A little paper that tells you what will happen in the future. Maybe. True or false? I don't know. So, it says you will receive, I will receive money. I will get money in this month. Is that true? Maybe. But it tells me what will happen. Do you want to try? You want to have a cookie to see what will happen? Maybe. Okay, it's just for fun. Okay. Let's see, what does your paper say? Okay, students, let's see what will happen. For you, it says something unexpected will happen. That means something you don't think will happen, it will happen. Okay? Something unexpected. What does yours say? The rainbow's treasures will soon belong to you. That means the things you really want, you will get them soon. They will soon belong to you. That's a nice one. What does yours say? Next week, see, in the future, next week, green will be a good color for you. I don't know what that means. Wear green, it will be lucky. And yours says, this one is not about the future. Sometimes they are about the future. This one says, you think a lot. Okay? And you are good at fixing problems. You can make problems better because you think hard. You're a hard thinker, a deep thinker. All right. So we say will. Often use will in fortune cookies to tell you what will happen in the future. All right. Now I have a question. What will Pladoso look like in 20 years? What will Pladoso look like? Now today is 2009. Okay? We know what you look like today. Black hair, nice smile. Okay? Not too tall, all right? That's Pladoso in 2009. But what will Pladoso look like in 2029, in 2029? What will you look like?
Look really old.
You will look old. Yeah, you might look old. What else?
He will tall.
He will be taller. Yeah. Do you think he will need a...
No.
No? Not yet. You will be older, but not old. That's true.
That's fine.
What else? Will you be married?
Yeah.
No, he says no. Will you have children?
No.
He will be, not married, but you will have children?
But you will have a girlfriend.
You will have a girlfriend. Wow. How many children will you have? No children. Wow, that's Pladoso. What about Nenslin? What will Nenslin look like in 20 years? Will you have a job? Will you be working? Yeah, you will be working. What will you be? Will you be a doctor? Will you be A teacher?
Yeah.
You will be a teacher?
No.
No. Oh. What will you be?
Doctor.
A doctor? Wow. Will she be married? No.
Yeah.
In 20 years? No.
No.
Will you have children then? No children. Wow. That's sad. Will you have friends still? I hope so. Okay. What will you do, Carolyn? What will you look like in 20 years?
We'll get good job.
You will have a good job? Mm-hmm. Will you be taller? I don't think so. I don't think so. Maybe you'll have a baby. Maybe not taller, but maybe in 20 years?
Your stomach will be big.
Your stomach will be big. Okay. She'll have a good job and a big stomach. Okay. Okay. What about you, Passablut?
I will be a doctor.
Oh, 2 doctors.
Yeah.
You will be a doctor. Will you have a pet? Will you have an animal, a dog, a cat?
Yeah, we'll.
Dog or cat?
A cat.
You will. Oh yes, you don't like dogs.
Yeah, I like.
You don't like dogs.
I like cat and dog.
So you will have a cat. You will have a cat and a dog. You will have no children. No children. Ay, that's sad.
You saw the students read the fortune in their fortune cookies. In some restaurants, at the end of the meal, they give you a cookie. And in the cookie is a little piece of paper. And on the paper is written something about the future for you. Now we know that this piece of paper cannot really tell you what your future will be, but it's fun to pretend sometimes. And so what I'd like you to do is take a small piece of paper, and I want you to write a fortune on here. You can write something for anyone. It doesn't matter who. Don't put someone's name. Just put "you will" and then finish it. You can say something like, "You will be happy. You will have a lot of money. You will have many children. You will be a famous singer," or something like that. So write one of these and then put them all into a box or a container or a hat, and then pass them around the classroom, and everyone must take one out and read it and pretend that that is your fortune. See how you enjoy this. Are you ready? Let's begin. Please stop the video and do the activity. All right, let's do that again, but let's make this something for you. Take a piece of paper, and I want you to write something that you plan to do in the future, something that you want to do. It might be something you want to do tomorrow, or maybe something you want to do when you are older. So you could say something like, "I will be a doctor. I will go to China. I will play the piano," or something like that. I'd like you to write this, and then let's go around the class and everyone read theirs. Read out loud what it is that you plan to do, but you have to use that form. I will do something. All right? Are you ready? Let's begin. Please stop the video and do the activity.
That's what you will do. But what if you won't do that? You will not do that. In our sentence, they will make breakfast. They will make breakfast. That could be true. But if that is false, how do I say this is wrong? They will make breakfast? Or they will not make breakfast? So, will is your special word. But not, N-O-T, that is another special word. They will make breakfast. They will not make breakfast. So Lindiwe and Nomsa in the story, we had many sentences. They will make breakfast. They will read a book. But now, can you tell me how to say they will not do those things? So on your paper, underneath your chair, there are 12 sentences. Can you read each sentence and write the word not, N-O-T, in the right place? Where do you put the word not? So in the first sentence, it's Lindiwe and Nomsa had a hard week. That's okay. You don't need to change number 1. Number 2, they plan to relax this weekend. Do you need to change that?
Yeah.
What can you say?
They will not play.
They will not. There's no will in that sentence. Okay, let's just change the sentences with will. So what's number 3?
They will make breakfast.
Yeah, so what can you say? Lindiwe will not make breakfast. So you write the word not. Lindiwe will not. Lindiwe will not make breakfast. So take a few minutes to write the word not in the right place, and then we'll talk about it. Okay? All right, students, let's go over our sentences. For number 3, what did you say? Can you read number 3, Nenslin?
Lindiwe will not make breakfast.
Yeah, Lindiwe will not make breakfast. Okay, what's number 4? Carrie Lynn.
No, Sam will not eat dessert.
She will not eat dessert. And number 5?
Lindiwe will paint her toenails.
She will
She will not
paint her toenails. Good. Plutoso, can you do one? Number 6. She
will find new things.
She will find new things, or she will
Not find new things.
Good. She will not find new things. And number 7.
They will not go to the zoo.
Very nice. They will not go to the zoo. Thank you. Okay. And Pasablut?
Lindiwe and Nomsa will not ride horses.
Good. They will not ride horses. And next one?
Nomsa will not use her new lights.
Will not. Do you want to finish up, Nenslin? You want to do the rest? Lindiwe and
Nomsa will not
exercise.
Exercise.
They will not exercise. Nothing.
Nomsa will not read her book.
No, she will not read her book.
Lindiwe and Nomsa will not relax all the weekend.
Yeah. They will not relax on the weekend. Make sure when you say not, I hear the T. Not. Then I think they will know. They will know relax. They will not relax. Okay? Not. Don't forget the T. So, students, did you hear will not? Will not. Always will not. It's the same. So if you want to put not, it didn't happen, it's will not. The not is after the will not. Okay, remember will not. Okay, so when do you use will? You in the future, and you can use will to talk about an invitation, what will happen. Please come to my party, it will be next week. You can talk about what someone will look like. And you can tell someone what you will do tomorrow. What will you do tomorrow, students?
We'll go to the church.
You will go to church. Good. You will
Sleeping.
Yeah, I think you'll sleep. Will you?
Eat
What will you eat?
breakfast.
Good. Good. Dinner? Lunch?
Do rock. Birthday party tomorrow.
You will go to a birthday party tomorrow. Oh, have fun. Will you do homework? Yeah. Will you play at all? Good. I hope so. Anyways, have fun tomorrow and we'll see you next time.
Did you hear how the students changed the sentences so that they said it's something they will not do? Did you hear how that change happened? If you are going to do it in the future, you would say, I will eat pizza, for example. But if it is not something you will do, you know it will not happen, you could say, I will not eat pizza. You have to have the word not in there, and the word not always follows the word will. It's a very simple way to do it. So, what I'd like you to do is take the fortune that you wrote for yourself, and I'd like you to make it something you will not do. Maybe you said, I will go swimming. Then I'd like you to make this negative. I'd like you to change it so that you say, I will not go swimming. So whatever you wrote, make it negative. Say you will not do that. And then go around the class and read them to each other. All right? Are you ready? Let's begin. Please stop the video and do the activity. Well, let's wrap up. What did we learn today? Well, we learned how to talk about things that have not happened yet. They will happen in the future. Maybe the future is 1 hour from now. Maybe the future is tomorrow. Or maybe it's a long, long time, many years from now. But these are things that have not happened yet. We learned how to say, I will do something. I will go swimming tomorrow. I will travel to many countries. I will be a doctor. Something like that. We also learned how to say things will not happen. I will not go swimming tomorrow. I will not eat vegetables anymore. Something like that. We learned how to say something will happen and something will not happen. These are useful things to know. Well, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. This is English Without Limits. I'm Doug Sadler. Have a good day.